So we have a clicking sound. Assuming it's a axle or sort, after 2 or 3 launches yesterday for the tune and logs, we're now here. So we're gonna lift up the car, see if there's any signs of torn boots, or obvious, signs of bad axle. But what you're experiencing is that the car is rolling slowly and you start hearing the clicking sound. I went left and right just to see if I can tell if it's the left or right, but it's honestly coming from both ways. That's a little weird. So I'm gonna check the back axles as well. Let's find out what it is. Wish me luck.